This is Mtoko chapter Manchester United. We do this every festive season. Occasionally, after every 4 to 5 months, we do this to commemorate and to celebrate our achievements. Thank you so much.
United in our hearts.
Every quarterly of the year to celebrate our achievements, being oneness as one family, sharing our business by opportunities, everything. As a family, this is Mtoko chapter Manchester United. Thank you.
Not for only winning. Both draws, the losers, and the winning.
Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Wakamboonana tichazoonana nerimwe zuva hama dzangu. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Wakamboonana tichazoonana nerimwe zuva hama dzangu. Ini ndokwenda kubasa kwangu. Iwe makiwe mkaranga. Iwe makiwe mkaranga. Iwe makiwe mkaranga.